All right there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 10 of our February daily math. The Valentine's Day party starts at 2:15. Draw this time on the clock. Let's do our minutes first. 5, 10, 15. And I'm going to draw that line all the way out. My minute hand, I want to reach all the way out to my minutes. Okay, so I'm going to make it all the way to my 15 minutes there. Now, our hand has to be somewhere between the 2 and the 3. So it's just a little bit like right here. So we're going to draw our hand like that. And that is 2:15. Okay. The party starts at 2:15. Is it AM or is it PM? PM. Yeah. AM would be very, very, very early in the morning. I'm not up that early. I hope you're not either. Number 3, hearts, bears, candy. There's our Valentine stickers. There are blank more heart stickers than bear stickers. Well, let's look. Every one of these lines is worth 1. So there's 8 hearts and there are 2 bears. So we're going to compare the 2 with the 8. And I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more heart stickers than bear stickers. The second part of that question is there are blank fewer bear stickers than candy stickers. This time we're going to compare the candy stickers with the bear stickers. And I see there's 1, 2. So there are 2 fewer bear stickers than candy stickers. All right. Number 4, add all of the tiles. How much? Well, let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 4s. And we have 1, 2. We have 2 3s. We have 1, 2. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. So 4 times 4 equals 16. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And 11 ones is 11. So now we're going to add these up. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Plus 2 is 13, 14. Plus 1 more is 15. And 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So these tiles are worth 35. Very good. Nice job. So draw tally marks and count. If that helps, you can do the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we could go tally marks there as well. We get the same number. Okay, last one, number 5. Gabriel has 48 candy hearts. He gives 23 of the hearts to Josh. How many hearts does he have left? Well, we're going to take 48. We're going to subtract or get rid of 23. And that will give us how many he has left. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So how many hearts does he have left? 25 hearts. All right, boys and girls, have a good one. We will see you tomorrow for day 11 of our February daily math.